In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google account without phone number verification. Now, there's multiple ways that we could do this, and one of the easiest ways is to use a device that doesn't have any SIM card. So if you have like an Android device that you recently just got and it doesn't have a SIM card, then typically you actually are able to make a Google account without any phone verification, but chances are you probably don't have a new device lying around. So let me go ahead and show you guys a method that we could do in order to sort of bypass it, and it requires creating a virtual phone number. Then all you want to do is you want to look up Google Voice just like so, and then go ahead and press on it. And basically, you just want to go ahead and create an account right over here, and you can use a pre-existing Google account that you already do have lying around. So please go ahead and do that. You guys could also press on Get Started just like so. And do not worry, guys, even though it does say you have to pay, you don't. All you need to do is you need to go ahead and just sign in really quickly. And basically, you will need to go ahead and input a phone number, but do not worry, guys. Google Voice is basically going to create a virtual phone number, which we could then use in order to create other Google accounts. So you will need to use one phone number, and it could be like a parent's phone number, maybe your own phone number, an older sibling, but basically you need to go ahead and actually create a Google Voice account, and this will provide us with a virtual phone number. There's also other services out there. It's not just Google Voice, but I personally prefer using Google Voice because it is the most established one, and in my opinion, it is one of the more safer options. Alright, so once you went ahead and created a Google Voice account, please remember your phone number. Then I'm going to go ahead and actually open up an incognito tab. Then all you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and look up Google account create just like so, and then please go ahead and select on the first option that does appear. So let's just go ahead and press on that. All right, then once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see create an account right over here. All right, then you're going to get a screen that looks like this. So please go ahead and press on create account, then go ahead and press on for my personal use. Then go ahead and enter the first and last name. So please go ahead and do that. And the last name is optional, but I recommend that you guys do it. Then go ahead and press on next. Then you want to enter in just any random birthday really. And you want to go ahead and obviously just set it to whatever year it is. And then for gender, you can pick whatever you want. Then all you got to do is you got to go ahead and press on next. Then over here, it is actually going to pick a Gmail address for you. So you can go ahead and select one, or you guys can go ahead and create your own Gmail address if you want. It is completely up to you. But for this video, I'm just going to be selecting on this option. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on next. From here, please go ahead and create a strong password and make sure you remember it, because the last thing you want to do is just forget your Google password. So please make sure that it is something you remember, and make sure that you have multiple copies of your password laying around. So let me go ahead and make a password really quickly. All right, afterwards, you want to go ahead and press on next just like this. So you guys might see a QR code that looks like this. So please go ahead and scan it, but do not worry, it won't associate the QR code with your device or phone number with a new Google account. All right, so then it is going to say verify for your phone number. Then you just want to go ahead and press on verify right over here. All right, then it's going to say return to your other device, and once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and add a recovery email. So you guys can go ahead and skip that if you want. Then you guys can go ahead and press on next. Then you guys can press on I agree, press on confirm, and then you guys should be good to go. Now, I will be honest with you guys, this may not always work, obviously, because Google is constantly changing and they're constantly preventing, people from actually not using their phone number and stuff like that. Another way that you could actually bypass this is that if you actually put yourself as underage, whenever you create a Google account, and that is basically not going to allow you to actually connect a phone number, and you may have the option to actually skip it. So you want to go ahead and experiment and see what works. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.